Hey everyone, welcome back! Today I'm showing you everything Canva AI can do, using only the free features, no pro plan needed. Let's jump in. On the left side of your Canva dashboard, you'll find Canva AI. Just type what you want: a logo, a poster, a presentation, an image, even an interactive app or game, and it builds it for you. On the free plan, you get a limited number of credits each month, but that's plenty to try everything we're covering today. First up, image generation. Describe what you want, say a retro wave cityscape. Pick your aspect ratio and hit generate. In seconds, you'll get 4 image options. Don't love the style? Switch it to anything: psychedelic, watercolor, 3D, and regenerate as many times as you like. Need higher resolution? There's a boost resolution button that roughly doubles the image size. You can also use an existing photo with Canva AI. Attach a picture and ask it to turn it into a social media post with a quote or caption layered on top, and it designs the whole thing around your image automatically. Now here's where it really shines: AI-generated presentations. Just describe your topic, and Canva builds a complete, fully designed slide deck in under a minute, with layouts, color themes, and images already in place. Love the look but not the content? Just ask it to keep the design and swap the wording. You can also switch the color theme with one click, or open it in the regular Canva editor to fine-tune things yourself. Here's one a lot of people miss: Canva AI can write code, and it's completely free to try. Ask for something like an interactive memory matching game and watch it build the whole thing in real time: visuals, logic, interactivity, all in under a minute. Then just chat with it to tweak the colors, add a logo, or add extra features. Last one: AI animated videos with voiceovers. Inside Canva, you can connect a free app like HeyGen, pick a presenter and voice, add your script, and generate a talking avatar video without ever leaving Canva. And that's Canva AI: image generation, AI presentations, AI coding, social posts, and AI video, all completely free to use. If this helped, share it with a friend and subscribe for more AI and design tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.